Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Let's get started also answering the queries that are coming in on your stocks. Gaurang Shah and Prakash Gaba are our two experts this afternoon. Gentlemen, good afternoon to both of you. Our first query comes in from Charul Jain, who writes to us from Mumbai. She says she holds 250 shares of Muthoot Finance at 480 rupees. She's been holding for a year. She's a long-term investor and wants to know what she should do. Before we get answering that query, just some flashes coming through. It looks like there's some interim relief for former Prime Minister P. Chidambaram. The Patiala court has said that no coercive action can be taken and they've granted interim protection till the 7th of August. All right, so back to our query on Muthoot Finance. Gaurang, let me come to you on this one. For a long-term investor, would it be advisable to remain invested at the moment?
So good afternoon to you, Sumera, and to all of you all. We have a positive view on Muthoot Finance from a long-term point of view. The problem over here, Sumera, is the acquisition price and the current price, close to about 90 to 100 rupees down. So if she has got about 2.5, 3 year plus kind of time horizon, and if she has investable amount, my request would be to average at current levels. Don't average whatever quantity you have, maybe 30-40% you can average, and you get a downtick further, you can average further. So hold and average purely from a long-term point of view.
All right, hold an average purely from a long-term perspective. Just keep an eye out on the Nifty at the high point of the day. Sumera was talking about the mid-caps, but just take a look at a few of the large caps. Maruti actually should come up for you, up about 2%. Most of the gains came by in just the last 2-3 minutes. Remember, none of the two-wheelers are doing well. Competitive pressures, market share, margin pressures. The street is worried about that, but no such worries for Maruti off its record highs. And perhaps the street took it with both hands. The stock up 2%. Along with that, we have, of course, Axis Bank and ICICI Bank playing their part too. But let's address some queries. Mr. Jaspal Ahluwalia writes to us from Punjab, holds 200 shares of United Spirits at 2,700 rupees for the last 2 years, is a long-term investor, wants to know whether to hold or sell. Well, I think he's making money because after that there was a stock split. So at 2,700 rupees, the stock was split and currently it is trading at 570 rupees. So I think he is making some money out there over the last 2 years. So we'll just get that adjusted in a bit. But nevertheless, Prakash, for a person who's been holding this stock for the last 2 years, it's aged well, or the prospects are more?
Aged well, and every week there's a Friday.
Okay.
So, I mean, this industry is not going to go out.
Right.
And in fact, you should average it. Have an SIP in this stock and continue holding it for long term. It should come down to levels closer to 500. If it comes down, that's a beautiful place to add.
All right, so that's the word on United Spirits. Remain invested for now, and at lower levels can even look at buying. And I'm sure that's an opinion that you would, extrapolate to pretty much all investors. Gaurang, Prakash, apologies for the shorter time that we could give to answering queries today, but it's result season and that always takes priority. Gentlemen, thanks very much for your time.